Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by logging into your 1xBet account. Make sure you use the main profile where bets are placed. Next, open Settings right arrow Security to find two-factor authentication. You must have your phone and email ready because 1xBet will send verification codes. Also install an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy on your phone. Once done, tap Enable 2FA and choose Authenticator app to continue. This begins the code pairing process. Once you select Authenticator app, 1xBet displays a QR code and a backup secret key. You scan the QR with your authenticator or type the secret key into the app if the camera fails. After scanning, your app generates a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. You then type the current 6-digit code into the 1xBet verification field and press Confirm. If the code is accepted, the site links your account to the app. Make sure time sync on your phone is accurate. After confirmation, 1xBet shows backup codes and the secret key. Save them in a secure password manager or write them down in a locked place. From now on, you enter the 6-digit authenticator code during login, so keep your phone protected. If you change phones, transfer the authenticator app or use the saved secret key to repair. If codes fail, make sure your phone's clock is set to automatic network time. If that doesn't help, rescan the QR or restore via backup key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.